There is also confusion in Moses. What is the confusion? You see, he was a Hebrew, but brought up in the Egyptian house. So being a Hebrew, he had no knowledge of God. He had just the biology of being a Hebrew. And being an Egyptian, because he grew up in the Egypt house, right? He had the knowledge of what an Egyptian is, okay, but he had no genealogy of an Egyptian. You see the confusion in Moses? Identity crisis. He's a messed up man with identity. He's a messed up man with fear. He's a messed up man when it comes to his failures, regrets. He's a messed up man. And that's why God is saying, throw that staff down. You see that staff for the present moment of Moses, सगळें सुसेगाद चलता. I don't have to worry. म्हाका भूक लागल्या मेंढऱ्याक मारपाचो खावपाचो. No tension. घर माझे सासूबाईचे घर हा. No tension. भुरगीं हा. No tension. Everything is going perfect. Maybe not Egyptian life, but I'm somewhere here, but चलता है. Good, easy, सुसेगाद. But when you begin to think about it, was that the call that God had for Moses? Because his present, though it seemed good, the plan that God had was bigger. But his identity of the present and his past was going to disrupt the plan of the future. The same way in our lives. And things that God wants to do in our lives. If we are not going to be willing to let God work upon us, if we are not willing to let go of that stuff, those fears, those regrets, those securities, the present identity, whatever you may be, you need to bring it at the feet of God. You need to learn to let it go. And what God will do is, He'll begin to immediately show you what areas you need to deal with. So I want to encourage you. It is in the presence of God that transformation comes. It is in the presence of God that God begins to renew you, refresh you, revive you. You know, when you begin to submit yourself to God, you begin to see your transformation. Remember, transformation comes in His presence.